Hi, this is Heather Fiore, and this is my Module 1. I have been married 18 years. I have 4 children, 3 girls and 1 boy. My 2 youngest girls are both deaf, and I've had a lot of dealings with special education and IEPs in accordance with their needs. We live in Vineland, New Jersey. Some of my academic degrees are I graduated from Cumberland County College with an associate's as a paralegal. My original intent was to go to law school, but I changed after working in the school system as an aide in the library. I went on to Rowan University and got a BA in Liberal Studies, American Studies. I then went to East Carolina University and got my associate master's in library science. During that time, I also took a few courses with Fort Hays for my library degree. And now I am currently at Fort Hays trying to get my master's in educational leadership. Some of my hobbies are spending time with my family at the beach. We have a beach home, so we spend a lot of time there during the summer break. We travel a lot, go different areas, countries, and visit. Reading, love to read. Of course, I'm a librarian, and reading is part of my job and part of one of my hobbies. I enjoy going to the gym when I have time, which since I started taking classes has been very few and far times that I get to go to the gym. And of course, like I said, I like spending time at our shore house. I work for the Vineland Public School District. I have been a librarian for 23 years. I have worked across areas from elementary to middle to what I currently work at the high school. Our high school is composed of approximately 3,000 students, 240 teachers. As far as our school and services, we do have a child study team that correlates with the teachers, parents, and so forth, and comes up with either 504s or IEPs. We have tons of special education services. We have ELA classes, we have speech, we have OT, PT, deaf education classes with a teacher of the deaf. We have autistic classes with teachers that are certified to specialize with autistic, LLD. We have interpreters for the deaf and for bilingual students. We have one-on-one paraprofessionals. We have one-on-one nurses as well for students with medical disabilities. We have bilingual learner classes, resource room teachers, in-class support teachers, and of course counselors for all of them. Our services are probably one of the best in the area. Most kids come to our school because of our services, that we have so much available to our students. Our special education department is very willing to work with the parents and the educators to get what's best for the student to help provide them with the least restrictive environment. So some critique of my knowledge and learning strategies of special education services. As a librarian, I don't necessarily get shared the IEP and 504 information. So children come into my library without me having any prior knowledge of their disabilities or where they need some help. I need to have more time to be able to collaborate with classroom teachers and the counselors and the child study team to understand what the needs are of the children. In a school of 3,000 kids, it's a little hard to do because I'm not just seeing a select group, I'm seeing any one of the 3,000 students. So I need more time to engage with these students on a one-on-one level to get to learn more about them and how to help them when they come into the library, as well as learning more from the teachers, the child study team, counselors, and just to be able to get access to the IEP and 504 information. So some things for review as far as my plan and funding. Well, of course, always teachers need more time to review the IEPs and 504s. I would definitely have a plan to give them more time, whether it's prior to school or set aside collaboration time to allow the teachers to collaborate, that work together with these students on these IEPs and 504s, plan with the parents more, provide definitely professional development to the teachers and staff who are dealing with these students, and even to the teachers that may not have direct contact, but may come across these students just like me in the library. As far as funding, I would seek grants and utilize methods that don't require funding. And that's basically my overview and my introduction. Thank you.